Okay, folks, this is the yen versus the U.S. dollar. It reacted quite a bit to the U.S. dollar comments that Bernanke was making this afternoon. As you recall, we had the big butterfly pattern happen, and this was the 786, if you recall, on the daily chart that made the head and shoulders pattern that we had seen, before. We were watching that very closely. This was the head and shoulders pattern that we were looking at, and that was at the 786 retracement, as you can see. So what we're watching now is the fact that the market has had this huge break. And remember, we had the lower tops. That was the 135 pattern that we look at. And then today, the only rally we could get was basically up to the 382 level. This was right after the Fed talk. And then, of course, the market, broke down, very, very badly to the tune of a couple hundred points. But that's nothing compared to what happened, with the euro. So this was a little more orderly. The fact that the Nikkei is up quite a bit tonight and the yen is down is a big aberration, because usually they go hand in hand, and they're certainly not doing that today. So we're going to have to keep watching it to see what happens. Now, there's a potential, if we hold this bottom that we just made here on the hourly chart, that we could get a rally, back into this level, which would be just about a 50% retracement of the whole move. That's what that would be. It would be a 50% retracement, and that would be a place where, I think you could probably sell it short without risking too much, not more than 40 pips. Anyway, that's what we're seeing in the yen versus the dollar, and it certainly is wild. So be sure to use stops, live every day in an attitude of gratitude, and may God bless.